Imagine waking each day with boundless energy, a razor-sharp mind, and a thriving body. This isn't just a dream, it's the revolutionary vision Dr. Casey Means presents in her insightful book, Good Energy, the surprising connection between metabolism and limitless health. Dr. Means, a Stanford-trained physician and technology innovator, challenges the conventional wisdom of health and wellness. She guides readers through a fascinating exploration of cellular metabolism, unveiling the secrets to achieving boundless energy, mental clarity, and vibrant longevity. Good Energy isn't just another health book, it's a transformative guide that places metabolic health at the core of human potential. Combining cutting-edge science with practical advice, Dr. Means provides a comprehensive roadmap for revitalizing your life from the inside out. Uncover the secret to limitless health within your cellular metabolism, learn how simple lifestyle adjustments can enhance your energy, and explore ways to personalize your health journey with modern technology. Whether you're a health enthusiast or dealing with chronic issues, Good Energy offers a fresh, empowering perspective that will transform your approach to well-being. Dr. Casey Means highlights that metabolic health is crucial for overall well-being. She explains that metabolic function goes beyond weight management. It involves the efficiency of cellular processes that convert food and oxygen into energy. This startling statistic emphasizes the need to prioritize metabolic health. Dr. Means shares her personal story of losing her mother to metabolic disease, which ignited her passion for understanding and improving metabolic health. This loss prompted her to question conventional medical approaches and delve into the root causes of chronic diseases. The book explores how optimizing metabolism can lead to improved energy levels, enhanced mental clarity and cognitive function, better mood regulation, stronger immune system, reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and such life-threatening disease as cancer. In an interview with Jillian Michaels, Dr. Casey Means explains that symptoms often arise from cellular dysfunction influenced by factors such as diet, toxins, and stress. Physical activity is also crucial for optimizing metabolic health. Regular exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also enhances insulin sensitivity, which is essential for preventing diabetes. For instance, studies have shown that individuals who engage in moderate aerobic exercise, like brisk walking for 30 minutes a day, see significant improvements in their metabolic markers, including blood sugar levels and cholesterol profiles. Dr. Means provides a comprehensive guide to understanding how mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, play a pivotal role in metabolic health. She explains how supporting mitochondrial function through lifestyle choices can dramatically improve overall body and mental health, as well as vitality. Good Energy delves into the essential role of blood sugar management in metabolic health. Dr. Means explains that blood sugar fluctuations can significantly impact energy levels, mood, and long-term health outcomes. The book introduces the concept of naked carbohydrates, carbs consumed without protein, fat, or fiber. Dr. Means explains how these can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and subsequent crashes, leading to energy dips and increased cravings. To illustrate this, she shares a case study of a patient who struggled with afternoon fatigue. By implementing strategies to avoid naked carbs at lunch, such as adding protein and healthy fats to meals, the patient experienced more stable energy levels throughout the day. The book also explores important research on the glycemic index and glycemic load, explaining how these concepts can guide food choices for better blood sugar control. Dr. Means cites a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showing that low glycemic index diets can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. She also suggests practical meal sequencing techniques, such as eating vegetables or a small serving of protein before carbohydrates, consuming vinegar before or with meals to slow glucose absorption, engaging in light physical activity after meals to help utilize glucose. Another critical aspect is continuous glucose monitoring, CGM, technology. Real-time glucose data enables individuals to make more informed food choices and enhance their metabolic health. Good Energy presents a comprehensive framework for optimal living that integrates various aspects of health, from cellular function to spiritual well-being. Dr. Means emphasizes that true health cannot be achieved by focusing on isolated factors, but rather by addressing the interconnected web of our biology, psychology, and environment. The concept of health foundations includes nutrition, movement, sleep, stress management, environmental factors, social connections, purpose and meaning. Research from the field of psychoneuroimmunology, which studies the interaction between psychological processes and the nervous and immune systems, is crucial. Studies show that factors like chronic stress and social isolation can negatively impact immune function and increase inflammation. To show this holistic approach, the book includes stories of patients who achieved significant health improvements by addressing multiple aspects of their lifestyle simultaneously. For instance, one patient with chronic fatigue syndrome experienced a dramatic turnaround by optimizing her diet, improving sleep habits, incorporating stress reduction techniques, and finding a sense of purpose through volunteering work. The book also delves into the emerging field of epigenetics, explaining how lifestyle choices can influence gene expression. Dr. Means describes how factors like nutrition, exercise, and stress management can turn on genes associated with longevity and disease resistance. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones, metabolism, and disease risk. Dr. Means explains how modern lifestyles often disrupt our natural circadian rhythms, leading to various health issues. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that just 1 week of insufficient sleep altered the expression of over 700 genes, including those involved in metabolism, immune function, and stress response. Dr. Means shares her own struggle with insomnia during medical school and residency, describing how prioritizing sleep transformed her health and cognitive performance. She offers practical tips for improving sleep quality, such as establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a dark, cool sleeping environment, limiting blue light exposure in the evening, avoiding caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime, practicing relaxation techniques before sleep. Poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances that disrupt metabolism. For instance, individuals who prioritize good sleep hygiene often report better energy levels and improved mood. Research indicates that those who get adequate sleep are less likely to develop metabolic syndrome, highlighting the interconnectedness of sleep and metabolic health. The concept of social jet lag, which refers to the misalignment between our internal body clock and social schedules, can contribute to metabolic dysfunction. Dr. Means offers strategies for better aligning our daily routines with our natural circadian rhythms. Morning light exposure is another crucial factor for regulating circadian rhythms. Research shows that morning sunlight exposure can improve sleep quality, mood, and metabolic health. Physical activity plays a vital role in enhancing cellular energy production and glucose metabolism. Regular movement not only burns calories, but also improves mitochondrial function and insulin sensitivity. A study published in the journal Cell Metabolism found that just one session of exercise can enhance glucose uptake in muscle cells for up to 48 hours. Dr. Means uses this research to demonstrate the powerful and lasting effects of movement on metabolic health. She shares her personal journey of discovering the joy of movement after years of viewing exercise as a chore, describing how finding activities she genuinely enjoyed, like hiking and dance classes, made it easier to maintain a consistent exercise routine. Dr. Means highlights various exercise strategies for different fitness levels and preferences, including high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for efficient workouts, resistance training to build muscle and improve insulin sensitivity, low-impact activities like yoga and swimming for joint health, everyday movement strategies like taking the stairs or walking meetings. She introduces the concept of exercise snacks, short bursts of activity throughout the day. These brief, frequent bouts of movement can be as effective as longer workout sessions for improving metabolic health. For instance, an office worker who takes 5-minute breaks every hour to do simple exercises like squats or jumping jacks can enhance glucose uptake and energy levels. Research supports that these short, frequent movements can be as beneficial as longer workout sessions, making it easier for busy individuals to incorporate physical activity into their daily lives. This approach not only boosts metabolic health, but also improves mood and reduces stress, highlighting the holistic benefits of regular movement. The book features inspiring stories, such as that of a sedentary office worker who reversed his pre-diabetes by incorporating daily walks and weekend hikes into his routine. The book highlights the crucial role of stress reduction in maintaining cellular health and overall well-being. Chronic stress can disrupt metabolic processes and lead to various health issues. Research from the field of psychoneuroimmunology demonstrates how stress hormones like cortisol can negatively impact insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. Dr. Means shares her personal experience with managing stress during medical school and how it impacted her health, illustrating the importance of effective stress management strategies. Practical stress management techniques. Dr. Means offers practical stress management techniques that include mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises, regular physical activity and exposure to nature, prioritizing sleep and relaxation, building social connections and support systems, time management and setting boundaries. She discusses the concept of eustress or positive stress, explaining how certain types of stress can actually enhance metabolic health when managed properly. A compelling example is the story of a corporate executive who began incorporating mindfulness meditation into her daily routine. Initially overwhelmed by work pressures, she dedicated just 10 minutes each morning to mindfulness exercises. Over time, she experienced reduced stress levels, improved focus, and increased productivity at work. This shift allowed her to better regulate her blood sugar levels and maintain a healthier lifestyle, demonstrating how even small changes in stress management can significantly improve metabolic health. Dr. Means provides comprehensive guidance on selecting foods that support metabolic health, including a detailed list of good energy foods and recipes. She emphasizes the importance of a whole foods, nutrient-dense diet for optimal cellular function. Key nutritional principles include prioritizing low glycemic index foods to maintain stable blood sugar levels, incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables for antioxidants and phytonutrients, choosing high-quality protein sources to support muscle health and satiety, including healthy fats for hormone balance and cellular membrane health, focusing on fiber-rich foods to support gut health and blood sugar regulation. Dr. Means shares personal anecdotes about how changing her diet dramatically improved her energy levels and overall health. She also provides practical tips for creating a 4-week plan and meal preparation to make healthy eating more accessible and enjoyable. Environmental toxins and modern lifestyle factors significantly impact metabolic health. Dr. Means discusses strategies to mitigate these effects, introducing the concept of exposome, the sum of all environmental exposures and individual experiences throughout their lifetime. These environmental factors can affect metabolic health, air and water pollution, endocrine-disrupting chemicals in everyday products, electromagnetic radiation from electronic devices, light pollution and its impact on circadian rhythms, noise pollution and its stress-inducing effects. Here are some practical tips for reducing exposure to environmental toxins. Choose organic produce when possible. Use non-toxic personal care and household cleaning products. Filter drinking water. Create a sleep-friendly bedroom environment. Incorporate indoor plants to improve air quality. Mindset and belief systems. Dr. Means emphasizes that our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our health. The book provides steps to heal limiting beliefs that may undermine optimal metabolism, supported by research in psychoneuroimmunology and epigenetics that highlights the powerful mind-body connection. The book covers topics such as the impact of chronic stress and negative thinking on cellular function, how positive emotions and gratitude can boost immune function and metabolic health, the role of purpose and meaning in promoting longevity and vitality, techniques for cultivating a growth mindset and resilience. Dr. Means shares personal stories and case studies of individuals who transformed their health by addressing limiting beliefs and adopting a more positive mindset. The book includes practical exercises for identifying and reframing negative thought patterns, such as journaling prompts and cognitive restructuring techniques. This book encourages readers to leverage modern tools and testing methods to understand their unique biochemistry and tailor their health approaches accordingly. It highlights the importance of moving beyond one-size-fits-all health recommendations to embrace personalized medicine. This New York Times bestseller discusses various tools and technologies for personalized health optimization, including continuous glucose monitors (CGMs) for real-time blood sugar tracking, genetic testing to understand individual predispositions, microbiome testing for gut health insights, wearable devices for tracking sleep, activity, and stress levels, advanced blood testing panels for comprehensive health assessments. Dr. Means emphasizes using these test results and data to make informed lifestyle choices. She also addresses the ethical considerations and potential limitations of these technologies, stressing the importance of combining data with intuition and professional medical advice. The book concludes with a visionary outlook for the future of healthcare. It emphasizes the shift towards personalized, preventive approaches that empower individuals to take control of their metabolic health and overall well-being. Dr. Casey's book draws attention to the crucial link between metabolic health and overall well-being, arguing that optimizing metabolism is essential for achieving energy, mental clarity, and longevity. In essence, Good Energy serves as a comprehensive guide to transforming health with a focus on metabolic function and personalized approaches. While this summary provides a glimpse into the transformative insights of Good Energy, it doesn't fully capture the profound importance of metabolic health for overall well-being. Dr. Casey Means' book is a comprehensive guide that dives deep into optimizing metabolism to achieve energy, mental clarity, and longevity. If you're truly committed to transforming your health and unlocking your full potential, I highly encourage you to read the full version of this groundbreaking book. Good Energy offers in-depth strategies, practical advice, and inspiring stories to guide you on your journey. And if you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful content.